all, this is Harry J from Ask Communication. I'm again with another unboxing, unpackaging. You see, I have a pack for my iPod mini, a cover in fact I have inside, and you can see my iPod mini there. This is a 4th version. So this is the old one you see here. Lovely, very comfortable. This one is from Apple. This one I bought something from China. Very good. I paid €8 for this one, could be $10 equivalent. So let's see how it is. Packaging is very simple. So I'm gonna use my knife to unbox or unpack this one. Here we go. Here we go. Wow, beautiful iPad mini 4 and 5 version you can use with this one. Back side is transparent, so you can see all here. You see, let me take out from this pack. Here we go. Very great. Take this off from this one. Wow, it's transparent back side. Here you have something at the middle. I throw this one side. You see how beautiful. You have some protection. This is the strong one. If it's dropped, it will take all the bumps, as same as other one. But you have transparent at the back side. At the front side you have usual. So very lovely indeed. Wow. Now I'm gonna put my iPad in this to show you how it looks. Here we go. This is old one. I take this out from middle. This is iPad mini gold version, 128 gigabytes, and the 4th version, very beautiful one. And now I'm gonna put it inside. You can see this, how it is. Here we go. Very elegant indeed. Wow, beautiful. You can see this one. You can see all the logo. You can show off Apple, whatever you want. And I feel really great on this. Wow, really great product. You can see at the top the power button is covered, the speaker hole is open. At the middle you see the volume rocker button is open, the charging port and the speaker is open. Very lovely and high-tech indeed. Beautiful. Few more things come with this cover. One S Pen for touch your iPad, and let's see what more. Here one sticker. Lovely. If you have children, you can give them. Lovely. And nothing else. So this is unpackaging and applying iPad mini cover. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care. Till then, bye.